Sabadi. Hi everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Lao's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make beef stew. Ragu is one of the famous dishes in Laos. When you have a guest, from different country, we like to make ragu and French bread and serve them. So if people don't like spicy, you can go for this. I will show you what ingredient we use today for the beef stew or ragu, okay? And all the ingredients I list for you right here. All the vegetable we have is right here. And we're gonna use a tomato can today. Okay, after you all prepare all your meat and vegetable, and that's how you cut the meat, all the ingredient here, let me tell you a little bit about story of my food. This is one of my favorite dish. Belong to my father, which is I call him Papa. My dad, he from Philippines, so he always cook us different kind of dish. It's kind of like French and Filipino food. A little bit here and there, and then I twist his food to like Lao flavor too. So like I use like nam pa fish sauce, add into it, and of course Filipino eat fish sauce too, right? All right. So enjoy the ingredient. I hope this dish turn out good. The food is just like a history. It's just like you read the book, go chapter by chapter. And then my father cooked that, I cooked that. Now I teach everybody how to cook this. And this recipe, special, I want to see my 3 beautiful kids know how to cook too. But remember, just like chapter book, go step by step. I have a fresh bay leaf in my kitchen. It's right there. I use 3 leaves represent my 3 kids.กลิ่นมาแล้วหอม Guys, smells so good. เป็นตาแซ่บ You know, when the weather like this, outside, very cold, 60, 65, start to make this beef stew. You're gonna love it. Special right now, I miss my daddy. You know, he cooked this for me all the time. And I love this recipe. You guys should try it, okay? Pass on to your family. Teach your kid how to cook. So they become master cook like me. Oh, just kidding. Beef stew served with the French bread. You can eat with rice or spaghetti, but more like it, original you eat with the French bread. Okay, let's cut. Okay, what I do here, I use a potato that I boil in here to add the creamy to the beef stew. If you like a beef stew, you have to understand beef stew is not a soup, like a broth like you get, you know. You have to dip with the bread, so you want a little bit thickening. So you have to use the potato and mash them like that, and they go back to the pot. And you see how I give a little bit of creamy look. Or you can use the other all-purpose flour if you want to, but I like it like this because you don't lose any flavor of your food. This is all good stuff, guys. Scrape them all. Ragu is finished, or its beef stew is done. Now, this is a gift from my father that give to me, and I give to all you all. Special my 3 kids, you better learn how to cook like this. Okay, everybody can cook. Okay, so I combine with, you know, French style like Lao and Filipino all in one dish, guys, all in one dish. Nothing go right, nothing go wrong. The matter is your food is good. Okay, if they're not good at mine, you have to cook. My recipe is down here. And then if you like my channel, subscribe, hit like, and share. Okay? Okay, let me taste my food. Take a look. Look at that. How nice, hot, creamy. Perfect for the weather right now. Like special for the people who live in United States. The weather, like some state is like 30, 20, 60. We need this. We need this soup. Okay, just run to grocery real fast and cook, okay? Taste the soup first. Very good. How you eat? You have French bread. Break it like that. Dip. Go.แซ่บลองเฮ็ดเบิ่งเด้อพวกเจ้าอาหารลากูจากประเทศลาวก็แซ่บคือกันนิดแซ่บกว่ามือ is this part ตัวนี้ต้องแซ่บแน่นอนเลยแซ่บ Somebody smell my food. I think my daughter here. Hi, Christina. Is that Christina? Oh, hi, Elizabeth. See, your food always invite your kid come back home. All right? Well, see you guys next time. If you like, follow me.